Small kitchens do test your patience. The counter disappears under one cutting board, drawers bump into each other, and it feels like there's never enough room to cook, let alone breathe. But here's the thing, a compact kitchen doesn't have to feel chaotic or cramped. With a few smart adjustments, even the tiniest space can work beautifully, and look beautiful too. Stay with me until the end. I promise every inch you reclaim will feel worth it. Multifunctional furniture. If your kitchen spills into a dining or living area, every piece of furniture needs to work harder. Think about a slim console that doubles as storage for dishes or pantry goods, or a dining bench with a hinged lid to tuck away baking trays. Even a sturdy stool can pull double duty, extra seating when guests arrive, and a mini side table for serving appetizers. This approach isn't about adding more pieces, it's about choosing smarter ones. When every item serves 2 or 3 purposes, clutter disappears naturally, and your space feels intentional rather than crowded. Even the smallest studio kitchens benefit when furniture stops being single-use. You'll also notice this principle changes how you shop. Instead of asking, "Do I like it?" you start asking, "Does it earn its keep?" And when your furniture works this hard, your counters stay free, which leads us to how you use your storage. Add drawers, not cabinets. Lower cabinets look fine, but they're not efficient. Doors swing out, eating into your walking space, and anything pushed to the back disappears into a black hole. Deep drawers, on the other hand, glide open and put everything in plain sight. Pots, pans, mixing bowls stacked neatly without a single crouch or stretch. If you're doing a full renovation, skip lower cabinets entirely. If not, retrofit your current ones with pull-out drawers or racks. Even 1 or 2 upgraded sections can make cooking and cleanup faster and less frustrating. And here's where you maximize counter space as well. When everything has a proper home inside a drawer, nothing lingers on top of the counter. That clear, open surface is like a breath of fresh air in a small kitchen. This isn't just about organization, it's about creating a kitchen that feels purposeful and calm. When your storage works with you, not against you, even a quick weeknight dinner feels less chaotic and more like a seamless routine. And speaking of drawers, let's make sure the inside stays as tidy as the outside. Use drawer dividers. Deep drawers can turn chaotic if you leave them unstructured. Wooden or acrylic dividers create neat zones, utensils in one area, spices lined up in another, foil and wraps stacked perfectly in their own section. It transforms a messy catch-all into a well-ordered workspace. This kind of organization isn't about being fussy, it's about efficiency. You can reach for exactly what you need without rummaging mid-recipe, which makes cooking more enjoyable and far less stressful. Even better, dividers allow you to keep more on hand without feeling cramped. You'll discover extra inches you didn't realize were wasted. Another bonus. A beautifully organized drawer looks and feels intentional every time you open it, which might just inspire you to keep the rest of your kitchen just as tidy. And if you're still craving more workspace, there's a trick that folds out only when you need it. Try fold-away shelving. Sometimes you need more prep surface, but not all the time. Fold-away shelves or drop-leaf tables give you extra space when you're chopping vegetables or serving food, then disappear afterward. It's like having a bonus countertop on demand. Look for wall-mounted options that flip down when needed, or slim rolling trolleys that tuck beside the fridge. Even better, some cutting boards are designed to rest over your sink, an easy way to gain inches without remodeling. This small flexibility solves one of the biggest frustrations of tiny kitchens, feeling trapped by a fixed layout. Instead of wishing for more counters, you simply create them as needed. It also keeps your space visually light. When counters aren't cluttered with bulky additions, your kitchen feels larger, cleaner, and far more intentional. Proof that smart solutions can be both practical and beautiful. And while we're streamlining functions, let's talk about cleaning up your look too. Skip the hardware. In a compact kitchen, Every detail affects how big or small it feels. Cabinet knobs and handles, while useful, can visually clutter your space. Going for recessed pulls or push-to-open fronts creates a seamless, modern look that instantly feels lighter. It's not just aesthetic, it makes maneuvering easier. When your hips or sleeves aren't bumping into hardware every time you move, the whole room feels less cramped. The smooth lines give your kitchen an understated elegance, especially if you're aiming for a contemporary feel. This is a subtle design trick, but the impact is noticeable. And if you're concerned about losing easy access, open shelving will balance it out beautifully. Pairing sleek fronts with carefully styled open shelves also draws the eye upward, creating the illusion of more space while giving you a chance to display pieces you actually love, not just whatever fits behind a door. Say yes to shelves. Floating shelves make excellent use of vertical space and give you instant access to your most used items. Everyday dishes, spices, or glass jars can live out in the open, looking organized rather than messy. The key is consistency. Stick to a cohesive color palette and use matching jars or containers so it feels curated rather than random. A few decorative pieces mixed in, a vase, a cookbook, a candle, add warmth and charm. Open shelves also keep your counters free. When everything has a visible, stylish home, you're less likely to leave items scattered about. And if you want even more flexibility, a mobile storage piece can take things a step further. The beauty of open shelving is that it encourages you to edit down to what you truly use and love. No more hiding chipped mugs or expired spices behind a closed door. It's both storage and self-discipline, dressed up as decor. Purchase a kitchen cart. A kitchen cart is like having a portable counter and pantry in one. Use it to hold produce, barware, or your coffee station, then roll it away when it's not in use. It's especially perfect for renters who can't add permanent cabinetry. Choose one with shelves or drawers to multiply its usefulness. Some even come with butcher block tops, giving you bonus prep space. Think of it as your little kitchen assistant, ready to appear when needed and disappear when guests arrive. Speaking of making life easier, tell me, what's the one thing you'd change about your kitchen? I'm reading every comment. A cart also keeps you flexible. Rearranging it for cooking, serving, or entertaining makes your space feel bigger than it really is. It's proof that smart design isn't about adding more, but about adding what works harder. And while you're scaling down your furniture, why not do the same with your appliances? Buy small appliances. Oversized appliances dominate counters and make a small kitchen feel even tighter. Compact coffee makers, toaster ovens, and microwaves give you back precious surface area. Modern mini appliances don't compromise on power. Many high-quality brands designed for condos and small apartments, so you get full performance in a fraction of the size. This is another way to keep your counters looking open and calm, less bulk, fewer cords, more room to actually cook. And once the big items are under control, you can polish the smaller details too. Choosing streamlined appliances in matching finishes also creates a cohesive look, whether stainless steel, matte black, or soft white, so even the tools you leave out feel like part of the design rather than visual clutter. Bring in woven pantry baskets. Loose packaging is the enemy of an organized kitchen. Matching baskets or bins corral everything, pasta, snacks, canned goods, and instantly make your cabinets feel intentional and elegant. Woven textures, in particular, soften a modern kitchen and add a hint of warmth. They're also practical. You can see at a glance what you're running low on, making grocery runs easier. This approach also saves you from the visual noise of brand labels and mismatched colors shouting from every shelf. When everything is contained, your pantry feels calm, almost like a boutique market designed just for you. Consider mixing in clear acrylic bins for things you reach for daily. They're easy to wipe clean and let you spot ingredients immediately, while baskets work well for bulkier or less attractive items. When storage looks this good, You'll be more motivated to keep it neat, and don't forget to use every last hidden inch. Add behind-the-door storage. The backs of pantry and cabinet doors are valuable real estate. Shallow racks can hold spices, foil, or cleaning supplies, while simple hooks handle oven mitts and lightweight pans. This is space that usually goes to waste, but when you use it, your main shelves stay open and uncluttered. Even renters can do this with removable adhesive hooks or over-the-door organizers. It's one of those quiet upgrades that makes a big difference. Suddenly, everything has its place, and nothing spills onto the counters or floor. You'll be surprised how much these microzones speed up cooking. No more digging for parchment paper or searching for your go-to spice while something's burning on the stove. See, a small kitchen can be remarkable, and if you're ready for more clever tricks, this next video is packed with them.